Everyone's been asking lately, what is the best AI for architectural rendering in 2025? And honestly, I have spent weeks testing every major tool out there, from classic names like MidJourney and D5 Render to the new AI agents entering the space almost every day. But there's one that completely stood out. It's fast, accurate, smart, and surprisingly free. That tool is Nano Banana. Nano Banana isn't just another fancy AI that makes cool images. This thing understands architecture. It reads your structure like a digital architect. It renders it with context, precision, and realism that's hard to believe for free tool. Let me explain how. Nano Banana uses environment-based AI logic, meaning it does not just render a building floating in space. It analyzes the surroundings, the lighting conditions, the reflections, the sky tone, even the surface materials, and blends everything together like it belongs to that specific site. Imagine uploading your building concept, a raw SketchUp export, a simple massing, or even a hand-drawn sketch, and Nano Banana knows exactly how to turn it into something that looks like a professional render. It's not just a kind of render. You can generate multiple types of outputs using the right prompts, from daytime renders to night scenes, conceptual visualizations, top view, master plans, explorer diagrams, or even minimal presentation visuals. That's the beauty of it. The tool adapts to your mind. Now, let's talk about precision because that's where most AI tools falls apart. Some give you the cinematic beauty but lose proportion or scale. Others keep scale but forget realism. Nano Banana balance both. It reads building geometry and aligns the environment accordingly, keeping shadows, perspectives, and reflections architecturally accurate. And yes, it's free. No subscription, no image limit, just pure architectural AI at your fingertips. That's why it's called open source AI tool. But there's the secret. The results you get depend entirely on your prompting skill. If you know how to describe your design, the materials, the time of day, the camera angle, Nano Banana becomes unstoppable. That is why I created a Facebook community where I share prompt breakdowns, real-time workflow examples. If you are serious about mastering architectural AI rendering, join the group. The link is in the description below. You will get free prompt sheets, tool comparison, and even contests for best AI generated architecture. Now, if you are the kind of person who wants to go a step further, who wants the ultimate realism, then you need to hear about ReRender AI. Yes, ReRender is not free, but it's worth every penny. It enhances realism to the next level. Global illumination, depth corrections, real surface roughness, and lighting that mimics physical camera exposure. I like to think of Nano Banana as your creative brain and ReRender as your professional polish. Use Nano Banana for exploration and then refine with ReRender for that final cinematic look. So, here's my honest verdict for 2025. For free users, Nano Banana is the best AI render for architects. It's smart, environment aware, and ridiculously easy to use. For professionals or firms who want the top tier output, ReRender AI is the way to go. It delivers photorealistic results that can easily blend into client presentations and marketing visuals. But for the most of you watching this video, start with Nano Banana, experiment, play around with different prompts, try day, night settings, material swaps, and diagram variations. The more you explore, the more the AI learns your visual style. And soon you will have a rendering assistant that feels uniquely yours. And in my next video, I am going to take you behind the scenes. I will show you step by step how I turned rough architectural sketch into a cinematic render using Nano Banana completely free. From the prompt to the render to the post process, everything. If you want to watch that video, here's the link. Watch that video and you will understand how Nano Banana works. So if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and join our AI architecture community because 2025 isn't just about AI helping architects anymore. It is about AI becoming an architect itself. See you in the next video.